Hi, yes. I've been asked for a tutorial on how to create a test or a quiz using Google Forms. Once you're in the Google Drive in the folder you want to, you can go ahead and go to New, and you can go ahead and create a form by clicking More and go into Google Forms. You will put the title, okay? So the title of the quiz will be X123, just for example. And notice how it kind of like, populates over here. Over here, you can go ahead and do instructions and just type all of your instructions. Then when you reach the question, say that you have multiple choice, so you can do question one, choice A, this is gonna be, sorry, this is gonna be B, this is gonna be C, this is gonna be D, okay. Then you're gonna go add more questions, so this is question two. Now this one, if you want to add a chart or a graph or something, you can add it on the question itself. So I'm just gonna grab a file that I already have, hopefully. Okay. Let me just double check that I'm getting the right one. So I would go to, there you go. That's the preview. Okay, that's a good one. Okay. So just a silly, picture of mine that I used the other day. So see how it appears? It will be like right below. So the question will be here. Then you have the graphic, and then they have the answer. But you're like, what if I want each answer to be a picture or a graph? You will just select on each of them and select the image you want to upload, for example. Imagine that's a graph, for example, and it will give you a small selection. So you could do that for every answer choice. Now, once you are getting done with the test, then you can go ahead and go to options over here in settings. I usually like to collect email address because that way you don't have to ask for the students' names. You may or may not want to give them a receipt saying, hey, I got your quiz or test, limited to Northside users, so parents don't do it. I usually like to limit to one response, but I do allow them to edit it in case you want to do test corrections later. Then you skip presentation. You can do the progress bar. If you're gonna do like 20 questions and do several pages, that's fine. And I'll show you in a minute how to add pages. And then for quiz, you're gonna make it a quiz. Release grade, I usually like to do later if I have something to check. And then you're gonna click on save. Now, once you have the release, once you have the quiz set, you can go to the answer key here, select the right answer, and select the points. This is going to be 50 points. And go down here on this one, go to the answer key. The right choice will be D, and this is going to be 50 points. Once the student makes it, you will go to the response, and you're going to have an option in here to release them, and email their grades. If that's what you choose to do. If not, you can just enter it on the grade book. Oh yes, page breaks. Page breaks is right here. Say that I want to do a page break between question two. I would just enter that line over there, and it says continue to next selection. So when you do the preview, that's question one. Do you see the bar on the bottom? And that's question two right there. Now notice that I can click submit if you want them to absolutely answer all the questions. You need to go back and select for question one, edit question required. That means that once they have the required there, they absolutely have to answer it. And this is pretty cool. You see the little star over there. So if I do like that, he'll tell me, no, I need an answer. And then I'll submit it. I'll go over here. You can see the response now. I got a 50. And at this point, you can click on release score and send it through via email to your students. I hope it wasn't that fast, but if you need any help, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Bye.